Deploy the boat. Get in. Good luck.
Each in our own boat.
We have 4 boats. A fort. Make like a square.
Did you ever see the inflatable boat ending with Hallie?
No, what happened?
It was emergency, me, Hallie, and Obi, and he deployed it with the final guy, and he hit him with the bolt action, and killed him.
Of course, Obi's done that already.
Yeah.
He loves those challenge games. I think it'd be funny to like collect shields, put them in your cars. Everyone has like 6 shields, and then we build a big shield wall in the middle.
Team honest.
Yeah, 1 or 2 teams big building.
Oh, send on me.
Like behind the mesh.
Got a gun.
You're on the mesh.
Help!
Come out.
Nice.
Thank you. Sorry, I only had a bolt. I needed. I didn't feel too confident.
I need a resurrection. A resurrection.
There was one guy that landed blue, just watching for push.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, he's gonna push.
He's doing nothing though. Oh, there he is.
Hey, grab him.
Are you?
Yeah.
Do you vest on this straight if you need?
He's gonna have meds because he was so late.
It's Tomas.
Yeah, I gotta get in there before he camps us. I'm going.
I'm not ready. Please look at me.
I gotta get a med. Got one.
One's like bottom right, top right. Oh, the helmet. I'll look for one. Oh, here's one.
Top left, green. At least one.
We have a nade.
Top right as well, blue room. I knocked him bridge.
Nice.
Right bridge.
One's in the blue.
Panzer.
One's blue. He ran out. Did you get the bridge?
Oh my god. What I shoot? Just some pistols and like an AR. Shot my brother's Glock.
I feel like it runs a lot better too.
My SIG.
A lot less stutters.
Yeah, duo servers.
Less
have been
VPNers.
really better.
There's
Yeah.
double
Yeah.
crates. It's oh shit. It's in the direction of like I don't know exactly, but I'm just gonna draw.
Alright,
a
I'm
line.
gonna go right now. Mark the nog.
It's not drawing the line.
Towards D and B.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I have all the colors at 100.
Yeah.
out when this med get on.
Makes sense.
My game feels like so laggy in vehicles.
Yep.
I don't know how they don't fix that.
Bro, there's so many times where like the car, the steering input is so delayed.
Yeah. Do you have extra meds? I only got one first.
I do. But I do it while I'm driving.
You can just put all of them in there. I
Wait,
won't take all
I
of
see
them.
the crates.
Pretty good line.
She's cracked.
And here's 2 first.
Thermal here. You take it.
Okay.
What do you get? MK14 here. I'll leave it for one of y'all.
Got a Lynx.
Oh.
Actually, you want the Lynx?
There's another
Alright,
Lynx
I'll
here.
take the MK.
Another one.
I'll take the links.
Okay, I dropped it on this.
Putting another Lynx in our Z-map.
Oh my gosh, a P90 on me too.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna be
is this?
P90 links.
I'm taking this links in the car. I hope it. I hope
Wait, you already
somebody
got a
has
Lynx, Hunter?
Yeah, I'm taking yours. There's 2.
Oh, okay.
If some team has a tank, they're gonna be cooked.
There should be another
Double
crate instead
Lynx.
of crates. There should be another set. Like
Oh,
on
yeah.
tomorrow.
I'm down. I'm already double power weapon. I'm down to get more. That was the best set of crates I've ever seen. 2 Lynxes, an MK, a P90, thermal. That's straight ahead. Good thing you spotted this. Now we can kill all 30 players alive.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, there's our southeast. We'll go that way. They're trading. Tomas here. Someone
No,
take
I
it.
don't want to go in there.
Was it Deca?
That's Deca, yeah.
There's a Groza
There's
here too.
another
What is going
thermal.
Oh
on?
my god, bro. Oh, are you taking
There's an
that?
Om here.
Someone take the FAMAS. Wait, the fuck? No, we know what you do. We put the ARM in the car for later after I use the links.
Bro, you have like 7 crate
Yeah,
guns.
put it in there. Drive it closer so you don't
Hey,
have
the
to move
MK on
it.
this crate. I'm dropping the links. I gotta take this.
Oh my
You gotta put it
god.
in the back. You gotta put it in the back.
We are juiced.
Yeah, put the links in the car.
I'm surprised nobody else saw these.
Alright, links P90 ARM. Go. Wait, you don't want the ARM,
We got
Ash?
links in our trunk.
Hmm?
You don't want the
I
ARM?
have an MK.
Oh yeah, you do. I thought you. It looked like a mini on my screen. Alright, well, we'll follow y'all. Down to go for more crates.
Yeah.
Watch us
Yeah,
die
the
on
next
first
set should be
four-
soon.
We get panzered. Instantly killed. I almost want to like find a tank, like just look for some flare. I don't know if people are alive. This needed to be like the 60 alive kind of game. We go north? I don't even know. Scope these compounds.
I'm looking.
Like there's always someone on green. Who knows?
That's
Yeah,
plane
right
path.
now- Yeah, pretty much.
Plane path is kind of bad.
I don't think anyone's there.
I think
Yeah, it looks empty.
go back. Maybe near yellow? That's also a hot spot. We were the train team, but
Just take this road. We'll probably run into someone. If not, the crate's coming.
You want to drive, Ash? I have a Lynx. Go crazy.
Okay.
Is it dropped yet?
I don't know.
This crate's on our right.
You can't take Lynx ammo. It's on the inside the gun.
I would go, but I think we're all decked out.
Oh, I do say. I think that'll
Anything else in
attract.
our car?
That might attract people though.
Yeah.
Nice.
Actually, might be our best bet. Let's just check gas station. No one's there. We can go.
Okay. $24 alive. I guess they were all in Deca.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Well, I mean, only 6 died since then, but yeah, probably most in Deca. Yeah, let's get out of here. Crates. I see why you got tired of playing Vikendi last night.
Yeah, dude.
And everyone else is tired too. There's 24 alive. Oh, 3 just came back. We could grief them if they go yellow compound.
Annoying turd.
Where are the crates though?
Somewhere near yellow. Just looking for the heli. Yeah, looks like one's floating back to Deca.
Yeah, they're going.
2 going back towards Deca.
Yeah.
Weren't the crates this way? I don't even know. Not like we
I
need
didn't
them.
see them.
Oh, there they are. They're on the right. Go yellow ash. See if we can drive by. Go wide. Over that ridge. Yeah,
Oh,
shot.
he bought this compound. Okay.
Kill the compound. They're not on these crates here. 2 compound, maybe 3. Crates look clear. You want a
Right on
quick?
the hill on blue.
I don't need anything.
Yeah. Let's pull up on the hill guy. Blue. 1 compound.
Yeah, with the hill guy on blue in the car.
2 compound. Dude, my aim feels like dick. Yeah, you can pull up here.
Hill, blue hill. Your car's blue.
Knocked 1 compound near the Panzer. And we didn't crash.
Smoke over there.
Left window green.
Come on, knocks are there. Nice, man. That's at me. Oh, it's Deca.
No,
It's suppressed.
It's not.
Oh, it's somewhere.
I don't know where, but I hear it going.
On this rock, flat rock, blue.
That's him.
Smoke.
They probably rezzed my
Outside
knocking
the fence
compound.
on the right. 1 HP.
Yeah, they're gone.
Fucking 2 MKs, man.
Yeah,
So broken.
it's pretty broken.
And you got lynxed.
Those guys were not ready.
No.
Nope.
We're gonna check the other crates for fun.
I guess so.
Yeah, might as well put the 3 gear in your car.
Yep.
Wait, is that art? Is that I'm in your car, Ash? I think mine rolled away.
Ours rolled. Yeah.
I'm gonna go grab it.
Okay.
A shot of flare and Deca, that's a tank. That means we camp
Oh,
it,
shit.
surely, right? They're gonna drive in like right at us. You all sit on yellow hill, you'll probably spot them.
Okay.
It's gonna flip anyway in the
Just gonna
city.
check these crates real quick. Well, there's a guy coming back east.
Moss here.
Northeast.
Yeah, guy parachuted into blue.
I'm coming. We can always kill the tank later.
I'm gonna drop a Grozair if you guys want it.
Oh, I'll take it.
Moss.
Yeah. Might as well.
Actually, no. Good 3 vests.
I'm good. I have the last. Oh, there's a 3 of us here. Let me move the car close enough to just throw it in. Okay.
Kind of sounding up
Dude,
on
we
them.
are loot gooning right now.
Yeah.
Loot maxing.
They rezzed on orange, dude. I'm gonna go camp out.
Let's kill this compound team.
I
No
thought you
peeks
wanted to
yet.
camp out the tank.
Yeah, I said we can kill it
Yeah.
later. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the tank's not going anywhere. It's probably flipped, like I said. He never peeked. I don't think he would. I'll soundbait for y'all. Maybe y'all can soundbait for me.
Yeah.
Make some noise,
Yeah.
bold sparrow.
Or just stay out of panzer range, like soundbait
See
yellow.
guy in green.
Yeah.
Tiny
He's
window.
on the fence. Anyway, you're right. Yellow looks clear. No peeks. That right side. One guy green.
What the
Oh,
fuck?
there's a freaking box here.
He's still in green.
Hit twice.
Hands are here.
They come before the snowstorm.
He's still barn building. I heard him.
Yeah, I'm pulling up.
Someone on the hill shooting. at me.
I'm going in.
Threat coming.
He might have gone to yellow. Yeah, knocked one falling back. That was probably him. One still hill. Knocked. One was knocked compound. It could be more, I guess.
I'm going back from my end.
Yeah. Oh, snowstorm.
One guy coming back
Boy.
south.
A cheek pad in here if you guys need.
Out of here. Go find that tank. 4 more people just came back. I don't think did you flush my other guy? I didn't even realize. I was gonna get rezzed. There was Bolt south somewhere. Might have been Castle, I have no idea. Yeah, Castle just mortared towards us, kind of.
Oh, behind us on the hill, top hill. Sorry about it.
At least 2.
To the right of you.
3.
I'm out of gas. No, that's crazy.
One not.
Are coming?
Nope. The car got set.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Going towards
I
Castle.
bet that was the team. Their tank flipped. I called it. That's hilarious. They definitely would have taken it.
Yeah.
Dead guy right here.
In that tank.
I imagine they're compound and Castle. Yeah.
Definitely compound.
Castle's got to come out.
They're on us.
All I saw was snow.
Yeah.
Low. One more on the way. Last guy yellow. You can stick it. Or peek him. Last guy yellow. Self res. On one of them, maybe left.
I need a res, I think.
Can't tell which guy's self res. I'm on the left tree.
You already self res.
Okay.
It's lame.
He's on the tree green.
He's still there. He's not peeking.
He's stuck there.
He headshot me. I'm on a very steep tree.
Nice.
Nice.
When you get a cell phone on all those crates. Edge.
Oh, this guy had one. Oh, where is it right now?
Wait, didn't we call there was a second Lynx earlier? Is it in your car still?
No, you took it.
No, I'm
There's
talking.
Nom in our car. Yeah.
No, we had two. I'm saying there was a second Lynx. I only.
Yeah.
Where was the first
It was
one?
It was in the Zemo I just left.
Yeah, there you go.
Children.
About to say, I'm looking through you guys' kits.
There's a guy staring at us, 300.
My frames drop so hard when I switch between them. I think it has to do with the smoke. I don't know why it's so laggy.
I knew I heard one above me. Two above me, I think. One's top left, and one's like slightly right.
Yeah, hard left. AK Demon. The AK Warlord.
Yeah.
He just swallowed up by the zone.
I heard the guy left of me. I didn't expect another one above me there.
There's an in that Dazia. Oh wait, I'm back? I didn't even realize you called me back.
Yeah, you got called back.
Oh, nice. Bring me that in the car. That's all I need. One's on yellow, and his buddy's right behind him. Last two.
What's happening?
Yeah, us too.
Trying to get into the car and it's stuck in me.
Oh, shit.
Shot
Okay,
that so
great.
short.
That in your car?
No, he
Change
couldn't
it
get
out.
the car.
That was popped. Fuck.
Your death
Oh,
box
it
was in
just
front of
was
it and I
stuck.
couldn't open it. Yeah.
One's one shot on blue.